Goodbye Italy and welcome to Sweden. We moved to northern part of Sweden and we have been living in a small village. In this video we are exploring a little wooden park for kids. We have Kalix, lilla trädstad. So I don't know, this is like a traffic park, I think, for kids. So you have these tiny little houses which look really cute. I'm going through a roundabout, and then there's the signal tick tock tick tock tick tock tick tock, turning. There must be a kiosk. This is a real size door, but this house is my favorite. We have previously been here and taken pictures, so let me show you when you go standing next to it. This is the okay, it's like a almost like a real size door, but the house is not definitely a real size house. Beach here. It's actually maybe supposed to be a beach, I don't know. It's a Riks rallybana. Okay, I should not say it in English. It's Riks rallybana.